Friends, millions of people around the world earn money, but only a select few actually create wealth. And among those few, the biggest name is Elon Musk, a man who, after selling PayPal, did not choose a life of luxury but instead invested almost his entire fortune into future technology. Today, his name is renowned in the worlds of Tesla, SpaceX, AI, and robotics. But the question remains, what exactly does Elon Musk do that sets him apart from everyone else? In today's video, we will explore his 5 powerful financial habits that could transform your financial mindset. Habit long term thinking. Elon Musk never focuses solely on today's profits. He always keeps his eyes on the future. When electric cars seemed like an impossibility to most people, he invested billions in Tesla. When private rockets were considered a joke, he launched SpaceX. Today, those very ideas have evolved into multi-billion-dollar industries. Lesson: if you think only about your current salary, you may never achieve financial freedom. Wealthy people think in terms of years, while those with a scarcity mindset can only think as far ahead as the next paycheck. Elon Musk didn't square his earnings on luxury cars or an extravagant lifestyle. Instead, he plowed his profits right back into his businesses. After selling PayPal, he invested millions of dollars into Tesla and SpaceX. At times, the situation became so dire that he was left with barely enough money to cover his own personal experience. Yet his focus remained crystal clear. Money should work for bigger growth. Lesson: don't just spend your income, invest it so that in the future it can work for you. Smart risk taking. Success is almost impossible without taking risk. Elon Musk took risk that would have terrified ordinary people. In 2008, SpaceX had experienced three consecutive failed rocket launches. Tesla too was in the midst of a financial crisis. At that time, Elon Musk was on the verge of bankruptcy, but he did not give up. And then the fourth rocket launch was a success. That was the moment his life changed forever. Lesson: taking a smart risk will certainly be fighting, but that very risk could also be the one that transforms your life. Multiple income source. Elon Musk does not rely on just a single company. He has Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, XAI, and several other ventures. This is precisely why his overall growth doesn't stall even if one of his businesses slows down. Lesson: if your income flows from only one source, you will always face financial vulnerability. In today's world, having side income stream and multiple skill sets is absolutely essential. Problem solving mindset. Elon Musk doesn't chase after money, he chases after solution to problems. Electrical pollution, Tesla; space travel to expensive SpaceX; human brain technology, Neuralink. His philosophy is simple: the bigger problem, the bigger opportunity. Lesson: if you learn how to solve major problems for people, money will naturally begin to flow towards you. Final conclusion, friends, Elon Musk didn't become successful overnight. Behind his success life years of discipline, risk-taking, patience, and smart financial habits. And the best part is you can start applying many of these habits in your own life starting today. You may never become the next Elon Musk, but you can certainly become financially stronger. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like and let us know in the comments which of these 5 habits are you going to start practicing today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful videos on finance and success. Uh, okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much.